So Helen, we have discussed what we're working with, which is your right hip and the discomfort there. And I'm just going to choose a card for you. And this card is, oh, nice one. This is called Two-Faced or Strong-Faced. And it says, what do you have to face? Will it be indecision or definition? Do not wait until it's too late. Just on that one, you do want to get rid of this pain.
Oh, yes.
So that's the decision made. Okay, so once we make the decision, so it says, will it be indecision or definition? So your decision is to get rid of this pain. So do not wait until it's too late. Life can control you, or you can become the driving force in your life. You decide and you conquer. So that's wonderful.
Beautiful card.
Yeah, it's you can see one face or you can see two faces depending on how you look at it, you know.
Okay.
So, and this is the back of the card, just to show you. This is the back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the frequency number, Helen, for this is 333
Okay.
531.
531.
Yes, 333.
333. Okay.
So I'm going to tap that in five times, Helen, please. I'll count to 5.
Okay. 333 531 333 333 531 333 333 531 333 333 531 333 333 531 333 333 531 333.
Oh, now you have a little walk around now and just notice the change in your body.
Yeah, it feels different. Good.
And tell me the difference.
I think it's actually gone down to where I normally feel it at night. I can feel a little something on the top of my leg, as opposed to the bum area where I felt it before we started.
Okay.
And the hip.
Right. Okay. So we're going to do one more. We're going to do one more card. And the next card is called Reflection. And it says, you need to stop and take the time to notice what is being reflected back to you. Is it related to you or to someone else? You decide. If it is yours, then you can do something about it. If it is not, then you leave it be. Just even noticing this is a brilliant reflection. Does that mean anything to you?
I think it does, but my daughter came into my head when you were reading it, a sentence or two in.
Yes.
But I'm not quite sure how it relates to her.
Okay.
You have to sit with it.
Well, the only thing is, we're just going to install the number.
Yeah.
The main thing is that we're getting rid of what you don't want in your body, which is that restriction.
Yeah.
So the number is 888 999 444.
Okay.
And we need that 5 times as well.
888 999 444. 888 999 444. 888 999 444. 888 999 444. 888 999 444.
That's the 5. Okay. Now again, just another walk around and notice how it feels.
Oh. That feels it feels gone. I'm hesitating because I'm kind of thinking, yeah, what? I'm just going to walk again.
I know. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
So that freedom that you have now is what you're going to hold on to, okay? And I'm just going to explain then how to, you're going to wear the numbers and infuse the numbers onto water. And I'll go through that explanation now in a second. I'm just going to stop the recording, but thank you for allowing me to share your experience.
So, you're welcome. You're welcome.
What's your overall feeling now that it's gone?
Well, I asked you to do it because I was curious. And now that the curiosity has been answered, I'm very happy, because why wouldn't you be? I had something which, well, it wasn't too bad, but it was there.
Yeah.
So for somebody who has something which is much worse than what I've had, I'm very pleased. Thank you.
Oh, that's great. But now we just need to share and let other people experience the same relief. So I'm just going to stop the recording now, and thank you so much. And I appreciate you sharing with me. Thank you, Helen.